Hearing is the child's most important sense for developing spoken language. And the sixth sound test is one of the most important ways that we can make sure that they are hearing as well as they possibly can on a day-to-day basis.
She's so much more responsive. She talks to us all the time. She's always singing and laughing and pointing at things. And
Itsy bitsy spider. If he is not even looking at me, I go, and that's all he needs. And he's right there, and he's all excited.
Now we're able to do the sound test quick enough that it's just a part of our routine.
For children with hearing loss, possibly the most important thing that we can do is make certain that they have the best possible access to sound through their amplification. One of the ways that we do this is called the Ling sixth sound test. The sixth sound test is a way to make something that is invisible visible. Hearing is invisible, and yet what we're trying to do with children with hearing loss is make them really active listeners. So the first thing that the Ling sixth sound test can do is be a way of making that active hearing visible.